Collagen is the secret ingredient that keeps your skin looking youthful, your joints moving smoothly, and your hair and nails strong and healthy. But did you know that as we age, our bodies naturally start to produce less collagen? This can lead to wrinkles, sagging skin, joint discomfort, and even brittle hair and nails. That's why it's so important to include collagen-boosting foods in your daily routine. By making a few simple changes to your diet, you can help your body ramp up its collagen production, giving you a natural glow and keeping you feeling energetic and vibrant. Today, we're diving into the top 5 foods that can help you boost your collagen fast, so you can look and feel your absolute best every single day. Whether you're in your 20s and want to keep your skin looking fresh, or you're noticing the first signs of aging and want to turn back the clock, these foods are for you. Let's get started and discover how easy it is to nourish your body from the inside out. Imagine waking up every morning feeling refreshed, with skin that glows in the sunlight and joints that move with ease. That's the power of collagen. When you give your body the right nutrients, you're not just supporting your appearance, you're also boosting your energy, your confidence, and your overall well-being. So, get ready to shine and move like a champ, because these collagen-boosting foods are about to become your new best friends. Whether you're heading out for a run, meeting friends for brunch, or just want to feel your best at work, adding these foods to your diet can make a world of difference. Let's unlock the secrets to radiant skin, strong joints, and a vibrant, energetic life. Now you might be wondering, what should I snack on if I want epic skin and joints? The answer is simpler than you think. You don't need fancy supplements or expensive creams, just real, wholesome foods that are packed with the nutrients your body needs to make collagen. From breakfast to dinner, and even those midday snacks, there are so many delicious options to choose from. In this video, we'll break down exactly what to eat, why it works, and how you can easily add these foods to your daily routine. So grab a pen and paper, or just sit back and relax, because we're about to make healthy eating fun, easy, and totally delicious. First up on our list, eggs. Eggs are a true superfood when it comes to collagen production. They're loaded with proline, which is one of the main building blocks your body uses to create collagen. But that's not all. Eggs also contain glycine and lysine, 2 other essential amino acids that play a key role in keeping your skin firm and your joints flexible. Whether you like them scrambled, boiled, poached, or in an omelet, eggs are an easy and affordable way to give your body the raw materials it needs to make more collagen. And don't forget the yolk. The yolk is packed with nutrients like vitamin A and biotin, which help support healthy skin, hair, and nails. Try starting your day with a couple of eggs for breakfast, or add a hard-boiled egg to your salad for a protein-packed lunch. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel, and how much brighter your skin looks, when you make eggs a regular part of your diet. Next on our list is bone broth. If you haven't tried bone broth yet, you're missing out on one of the most powerful collagen-boosting foods out there. Bone broth is made by simmering animal bones and connective tissue for hours, which releases collagen, gelatin, and a host of other nutrients into the broth. The result? A rich, flavorful soup that's basically liquid gold for your skin and joints. Drinking bone broth regularly can help reduce joint pain, improve skin elasticity, and even support gut health. It's also a great source of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are essential for strong bones and teeth. You can sip bone broth on its own as a warm, comforting drink, or use it as a base for soups, stews, and sauces. If you're short on time, you can even find high-quality bone broth at most grocery stores. Just look for brands that use grass-fed or pasture-raised animals for the best nutrition. Make bone broth a staple in your kitchen, and your body will thank you. Don't skip citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits. These bright, zesty fruits are packed with vitamin C, which is absolutely essential for collagen synthesis. Your body can't make collagen without enough vitamin C, so it's important to get plenty of it every day. Vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your skin from damage caused by free radicals and helping to repair and renew skin cells. It also helps your body turn the amino acids you eat into fresh, bouncy collagen. Try starting your day with a glass of fresh orange juice, adding lemon slices to your water, or tossing some grapefruit segments into your salad. Not only will you boost your collagen, but you'll also give your immune system a healthy boost and add a burst of flavor to your meals. Citrus fruits are a delicious way to keep your skin glowing and your body feeling its best. The magic of citrus fruits doesn't stop at their vitamin C content. These fruits are also rich in other antioxidants and phytonutrients that help protect your skin from the inside out. When you squeeze fresh lemon over your salad or enjoy a glass of orange juice, you're not just adding flavor, You're giving your body the tools it needs to build strong, resilient collagen fibers. This means fewer wrinkles, firmer skin, and a more youthful appearance overall. Plus, the natural sweetness of citrus fruits can help satisfy your cravings for sugary snacks, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. So next time you're looking for a quick pick-me-up, reach for an orange, a lemon, or a handful of grapefruit segments. Your skin and your taste buds will thank you. Craving a snack? Instead of reaching for chips or cookies, grab some berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, you name it. Berries are tiny, but they pack a powerful collagen-friendly punch. They're loaded with vitamin C, just like citrus fruits, but they also contain a unique blend of antioxidants called polyphenols. These compounds help protect your skin from damage, reduce inflammation, and support the production of healthy collagen. Berries are also low in calories and high in fiber, making them the perfect snack for anyone who wants to look and feel their best. Add a handful of berries to your morning yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, or just enjoy them on their own as a sweet, satisfying treat. The possibilities are endless, and your skin will love you for it. Don't underestimate the power of these tiny fruits. Even though they're small, berries are one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. The antioxidants in berries help fight off the free radicals that can break down collagen and cause premature aging. Plus, the natural sugars in berries are much gentler on your body than processed sweets, so you can indulge your sweet tooth without the guilt. Try mixing different types of berries for a colorful, antioxidant-rich fruit salad, or freeze them for a refreshing summer treat. However you enjoy them, berries are a delicious way to support your skin, your joints, and your overall health. And don't forget about leafy greens like spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens. These vibrant vegetables are packed with nutrients that support collagen production and protect your skin from aging. Leafy greens are rich in chlorophyll, the pigment that gives them their deep green color. Chlorophyll has been shown to increase the amount of procollagen in the skin, which is the precursor to collagen. In addition, leafy greens are loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like magnesium and iron. These nutrients work together to keep your skin firm, your bones strong, and your body energized. Add a handful of spinach to your morning smoothie, toss some kale into your salad, or saute Swiss chard with garlic for a tasty side dish. The more greens you eat, the more you'll notice a difference in your skin's texture and your overall vitality. Leafy greens are also a fantastic source of antioxidants, which help protect your skin from the effects of aging and environmental stress. When you blend up a green smoothie or enjoy a big salad, you're flooding your body with the nutrients it needs to repair and renew itself. The fiber in leafy greens also supports healthy digestion, which is key for absorbing all the vitamins and minerals your body needs to make collagen. If you're not a fan of raw greens, try steaming or sautéing them with a little olive oil and lemon juice for a delicious nutrient-packed side dish. However you enjoy them, make leafy greens a regular part of your diet and watch your skin transform from the inside out. For an extra collagen boost, add some fish or chicken to your meals. Both are excellent sources of high-quality protein and amino acids, which are the building blocks your body uses to make collagen. Fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation, support skin hydration, and keep your joints lubricated. Chicken, on the other hand, is packed with glycine and proline, two amino acids that are especially important for collagen synthesis. Try grilling a piece of salmon for dinner, adding shredded chicken to your salad, or making a hearty fish stew. Not only will you be supporting your skin and joints, but you'll also be giving your body the protein it needs to build and repair tissues, support your immune system, and keep your metabolism running smoothly. With so many delicious ways to enjoy fish and chicken, it's easy to make them a regular part of your healthy eating routine. When you eat these tasty, nutrient-rich foods, you're doing so much more than just filling your stomach. You're giving your body the tools it needs to build strong, healthy collagen from the inside out. Over time, you'll notice your skin becoming more radiant and elastic, your joints feeling more flexible and pain-free, and your hair and nails growing stronger than ever. You'll have more energy, more confidence, and a greater sense of well-being. It's amazing how much of a difference the right foods can make. So start adding these collagen-boosting foods to your meals today, and soon you'll be glowing like a superstar with joints that are ready for action. Remember, true beauty starts from within, and the best way to support your body is with real, wholesome foods that nourish you from head to toe. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and follow for more simple beauty hacks and healthy living advice. We're here to help you look and feel your best every single day. Share this video with your friends and family so they can join you on the journey to glowing skin, strong joints, and vibrant health. And let us know in the comments which collagen-boosting food you're most excited to try. Remember, small changes can lead to big results, so start today and watch your body transform. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.